Hey everyone, so today we're smoothing out the rear boot. So first off we need to remove the handle. What you've really got to do is remove the tailgate trim inside, remove the handle, take the badges off, and then what we're going to do is make some metal plate to go there, weld that in, and then do the filler work. So I'll time lapse me stripping this out, and then I'll show you what we're going to do once we've got the handle out. So our tailgate's all prepped. I want to get a bit of paper now and do some stencils, and then we're going to cut some sheet metal up and we're going to weld this up and get it filled. So what I want is this to be sunk in just a little bit, so it's sitting in by about 1 mil for when I weld it up, so that way I can fill it and make it nice and smooth. As you can see, it's still a little bit big, so I'm trying to grind it down with a belt sander. There we go, one piece fitting. I'll tack this in place and then we'll do the bottom piece. So I've just cleaned up around the edges. Now we're going to use some 3M weld through primer, just dust it over it. I'm going to give that 10 minutes to dry off, and then we'll tack in our first plate, and then we'll get on with the second one. So I've just done the same with this plate. I've just ground it up around the edges just to smooth it off so it sits in a little bit, so it's recessed. We're just going to tack this in place and see how we get on. So the area's all DA'd back now. We're just going to go mix some filler up, skim that up. It's probably going to take 2 or 3 skims. But then we'll have a lovely smooth tailgate. So I finally managed to smooth out the rear boot. It took me a little while because it's got sharp lines in it. Obviously I'm going to have to prime it up and make sure they're right. If not, I'll have to have another go at it, otherwise I won't be happy. I hope you join in on the next episode of our little Two Spanners project. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the little notification bell. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.